Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Replit Core free. First, create a new Replit account by signing up with your email or Google account. Next, go to the upgrade section and click on Replit Core to see the available subscription plans. Now, select the monthly plan if you want to continue with Core and proceed to checkout. Then, enter a promo code at checkout if available. Some example codes like 11 hacks, Replit DEV week, or AI first may work, but keep in mind these codes are often limited time and may expire quickly or stop working. After that, go to settings and open the referral section where you can copy your referral link. Now, share your referral link with others. When someone signs up using your link, you can earn credits or free core time, and multiple referrals can help you get more free months. Next, check for student offers. If you are a student, you can apply for developer or student programs that sometimes include free credits or discounts on core. Finally, remember that Replit also provides a free plan with daily AI credits and basic features, so you can still use many tools without upgrading to core. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.